What is up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're gonna be playing Fortnite. Well, of course, like any other video now anymore. Alright, let's fight now. Go, go, go. As you see on my PC right now. Oh, frick, frick, frick. No, what? I couldn't place my bouncer. It would not let me. Like, sorry, guys. It wouldn't let me place my bouncer there, so. Alright, so today, yeah, okay, so. I feel like I'm gonna get this win now, bro. Don't even try me. I feel like I'm gonna clip this kid. I don't know. I'm not sure. Wow. I'm gonna try oh! I'm trying to triple at it. I'm gonna triple at it. Oh, I did. Oh, dude, this should be a montage. I literally just triple edited. That's like the first time I. Oh, frick. Oh, save myself there. That's what I was trying to do last time. Oh crap! Oh, it's behind me. How'd you get up? Oh, I'm good, bro. Chill out. Chillax. 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 Chillax, my guy. It's okay. Just chill out. Yes, fish. Yo, Jamal. Oh. Oh, no. I'm 8 HP. No, don't tell. What? Dude, that was like a straight up clip though, cause I'm not gonna lie, dude. They seen me triple at it. They seen me triple at it. So yeah, I just triple at it on my video. That round that I just died for some reason. I don't know how I died, but I did. All right, let's go, guys. Back and do another video. What? What? How I did that? What am I saying? All right. So just doing Fortnite videos will get me views. How do you get a lot of views? That's my question. Alright, but guys, FaZe Lane, by the way, he has a YouTube channel. It's capital MUSHY, and he has over 1.5 million views in his career, and he has, I forget how many subscribers. They can't hear you, so tell me how many subscribers you got. Oh crap! Oh no! I'm 11 HP, bro. You didn't have to do me like that. You didn't have to do me like that. No! Stop! Alright, so how many subscribers you got? FaZe Lane, how many subscribers you have? FaZe Lane, how many subscribers you have? Okay. Who? What? 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 What the? Oh, no. Not the storm flip, bro. Not today, bro. Not today. I didn't sign up for this. Bro. What's up, bro? Well, okay. I didn't take any fall damage there, thanks. What? Alright, guys, I'm not bad at Fortnite. It's just, this kid right here is not okay. He has mental issues. I know, right? You're not a PC player right now, bro. Sorry, guys, if my screen's moving, I'm moving my border all around the place because it's... Alright, guys, I don't know what just happened. No, I did not. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me yet. I'm trying to do something. Don't kill me, please. I'm actually not kidding. Don't kill me. I'm trying to do something because I don't know what just happened, but it just, like, sorry guys if that happened. I don't know what just. What? I don't know what just. I don't know what just happened, but like, don't kill me. So I was just playing, and then my screen just glitched in, guys. Sorry. I don't know what just happened. I don't know how it zoomed in. Don't ask me the question, but Bye. Oh, free high. Oh, crap. Oh, my gosh. I just got the... What? Oh, crap. No. Bro. What? Oh. I placed my balance pads. Can I win one round on my YouTube video? I can't win one round on my single YouTube video. What? Why is... Okay, I don't know what is going on, but my border is moving like moving like the speed of light. I don't know what's going on. No, no, I'm not. My border's just moving. I don't get it. My border's moving all around the place. I'm just playing. You're who? Your servant? Who's your servant? What? Bro, are we in Egypt? Is that your mom? What to say? Alright, I'm done right here. Okay. Yes, I have. I don't know how you have one. Bro, buy a PC then. My game was lagged out. My game was lagged out. My game was lagged out. What? Okay, guys. Don't ask what just happened because that does not make a whole lot of sense at all. He literally shot me through the entire building. It wasn't even in the middle of it. Okay, phase lane. I know because I got sprayed. Okay, I'm going over here. Bro, what? Why does my screen keep doing that? Okay, I don't get it. But okay, I'm coming. Coming up. Box this kid like a flopper. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh, how did he get up there? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You can stay right there. Ooh. 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 Stay in there. Stay in storm. What? Okay, I gotta. Nice try. Hold on, don't. Okay. Oh! I just healed right in front of him. Oh, crap. Okay, I'm back in circle. Oh! This kid might die to fall damage. You heal. Oh, no, 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 no. I was 1 HP to storm. What is going on? I'm getting spammed. I'm not winning, guys, because I'm getting spammed. I don't know how. Why is that clear down there? The heck? Because your mom's gay. Wait, what? I'm not trying to be a bot. My border won't stop moving. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, I can't even move. What is going on? I don't know. I move something and it just puts my Fortnite into a thing and it's not. I can't move that time. What? Yeah. If what? I don't think. Oh crap! I was. Oh! He just got clipped! He just got clipped! He just got clipped! I still clipped you, bro. I still clipped you, though. I still clipped you. Shut up. I still clipped you. I don't know why they can't. So am I. But I'm on PC, so. Oh! Oh my gosh. Well, it's your PC. Just tell him to get off. Don't say, brother. Oh, crap. Oh, you died to fall damage. You died to fall damage. You died to fall damage. You did. That counted. Alright, guys. Why is going on my border? Alright, guys. So, if you want to add me on... If you guys have an Oculus Quest 2 or Quest whatever you have. If you want to add me, oh wow, hold on, don't kill me.